My name is Arshdeep Kaur and I am pursuing Graphic Master Plus course from Admit Multimedia. In that course, we learn many kind of softwares like you can see Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Dimension, Lightroom, After Effects, Adobe InDesign and Sketchbook also. So it is really very amazing experience of mine because I totally love every software because teachers are very supportive. They all treated me like I am their own child only, and they have helped me in overcoming every kind of difficulties I have faced in that particular software. So month of December I have achieved Star of the Month, and in that I have achieved it in a particular software named Adobe Illustrator. It is really a very good and amazing software for you to learn, as I was very confused at the starting, but my teacher supported me, especially Anuradha ma'am, Deepak sir and all of the staff members always supported me. So here also we have a kind of commercial art classes where we can build our confidences by drawing or each and every activity. And if you don't know any kind of drawing, or you are not cleared up with the tools or not cleared up with the brushes, you can also come here at the end. You can learn it from starting also. I feel really very proud that I have taken admission here because I have achieved many things here. So first of all, I have achieved a title of Star of the Year, and then I have also achieved a title of Star of the Month of December month. So I really feel very proud because this was one of my dreams and now I have achieved my dream. So I am really thankful for all the staff members and all the teachers who have guided and helped me and supported me. So today I want to share my amazing journey with you all. So when I entered this institute, I was really very confused and usually want a support of my teachers and all the staff members. They really guided me very well, and I am blessed to have them in my life. So this institute is really very well mannered, very well prepared for the students. So when I entered here, there was many kind of outdoor sessions where we have participated and we have built our confidences very much. So here we also have many kind of workshops held in the institute also and outdoor also. Recently we have a kind of drawing session, outdoor session, and there we have learned many kind of things like how to make drawing on canvas or like manually or digitally also. It was really very nice experience of mine, and that also that sometimes here we have a kind of get together also where we go to many kind of trips. Recently we visited Deva Farm and it was really very good experience, amazing experience. So you can see through our website and you can see on our Instagram page. There were many kind of things we have done there, we have performed there, and that was possible because of our teachers, because of our staff members. They all supported like our friends. They all were with us all the time and we were really very happy there. We enjoyed a lot. So I recommend every one of you that you can join this institute, and whichever dream you have in your life, you can come and fulfill here. Now we will talk about infrastructure of our institute, and it is really very good. And when you will enter the institute, you will see there are many kind of personal cabins of every teachers. So whenever we have to attend a class or whenever there is a kind of short meeting, we usually go inside the cabin, and their space is very beautiful, and you can see that on the walls everything is very mannered, and every kind of posters and every kind of banners that can build our confidences are placed on the walls of our institute. And you can also see that whenever a person becomes a star of the month of December or any kind of month, we see that a particular board is there, and on that students' work are placed, and it really built my confidence very much as I have achieved Star of December month. So my project is displayed on that board. When you enter the institute, you will see a particular board. On that a tag is given of Star of the Month, and it is very beautifully decorated, and plus my photo is also there. So I really feel very amazing. It is very amazing experience of mine here. So I recommend all of you to please join this institute. So overall, in this institute, you will learn every kind of software of a particular course and of a particular subject. So I recommend you to come here. Thank you.